Alright, everybody, very good afternoon to my lovely student. Very good afternoon to my lovely student. Okay, welcome back, you guys, to English communication class. So now, you guys with me, teacher Captain. Alright, so how are you today? I am great. I am great. Thank you very much. And I really hope that all of you are great. All of you are stay safe from the COVID-19, everybody. Alright. Before we start the class, I would love to let you guys know for the rule in our class first. It's just only one rule in the class today is when teacher say, "Are you ready?" You guys say, "Oh yes, oh yes." And everybody, today you guys gonna learn from this video. You guys gonna learn from this video because uh, teacher will go to get a vaccine. So that's why I record this video to you guys for learn from this video. Alright, okay, alright, everybody. Okay, so what we are going to learn today, everybody? So today we gonna learn about contextual grammar. Contextual grammar, unit 6. We are in unit 6, and everybody open your book page 114. Open your book page 114. 114. Okay, well done and very good job, everybody. Okay, we are going to learn about the contextual grammar. This is our last part for the unit 6. Let's start, everybody. We start from this conversation first, and the conversation today is what's the matter? What's the matter? Everybody say together. 1, 2, 3. Very good job. And let's see the answer. I have a headache. I have a headache. Everybody say this together. 1, 2, 3. Very good job, everybody. I have a headache. Okay. You guys can see from the PowerPoint. Can see the action of headache. Headache. I have a headache. Very good job. Okay, and then teacher move to next. Remember this? What's the matter? Remember this. What the matter? We have learned this for yesterday. What's the matter? And let's see the answer. I have a stomach ache. I have a stomach ache. Everybody say together. 1, 2, 3. I have a stomach ache. I have a stomach ache. Okay. Very good, everybody. Well done, everybody. And then teacher move to next. Everybody open your book page 114. Page 114. We start from the concept, everybody. The concept today. We can use have to talk about possession, family, relationship, and illness. Okay. Concept for today. We can use have to talk about possession, family, relationship, and alienist. And let's see this together. Okay, for example, look at this, everybody. We have subject. We have subject, and we have form of verb to have. We're gonna learn about verb to have. Okay. Subject. Subject. We have I, you, we, they. Subject. We have I, you, we, they, and then we have he, she, it. Everybody, let's say this together. 1, 2, 3. I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Okay, very good job. And look at this together, everybody. I, you, we, and they. I, you, we, they. In the red letter. Form of verb to have. I, you, we, they. We use have. We use with have. Look at this. I, you, we, they. We use have. Alright. Okay. And then we move to this. He, she, it. He, she, it. We use with has. H-A-S. Has. Okay. Okay. Remember, I'm going to ask you. I, you, we, they. We use with have. Well done. Very good job. We use I, you, we, they with have. And then he, she, it. We use with has. Has. Okay. H-A-S. Has. Okay. This is the different. I, you, we, they with we use with have, and he, she, it. We use with has. We use with has. Okay. And next, look at this together, everybody. And then we can make questions and negative with do, does. We can use do and does to make a question and negative. Okay. Look at this together, everybody. We have statement, and we have negative, and we have question. Okay. In the statement, we look at the statement first. Okay. I have the key. I have the key. It's just like you tell something to your friends for let them know. I have the key. Okay. For example, I have. Look at this. Okay. I have the key. This is statement. And then let's see, everybody. Let's see in the negative. What we say in the negative. In the negative, look at this. Do not. In the negative, we say, I do not have the key. I do not have the key, right? Okay. And question. How to make a question? When we make a question, we put do in the first. We put do first. For example, do I have the key? It's a question. Do I have the key? Right? Okay. In the statement, we say I have the key, and in the negative way, we say I do not have the key. I do not have the key. And if you're gonna make a question, you guys can say, do I have the key? Do I have the key? And then teacher move to next. Look at this, everybody. Next, Joey. Joey has a car. Remember why we use has here? Because Joey is one person. Joey has a car. This is statement. This is statement. And then, next, Joey does not have a car. This is negative. Joey does not have a car. This is negative. And let's see the question. Does Joey have a car? Look at this. Does Joey have a car? Understand, everybody? Do you understand? Okay. This is how to make question and negative. Okay. Okay, if in negative way you say do not or does not. You put do not or does not after subject. For example, I do not have the keys. Or Joey does not have a car. Joey does not have a car. And in the question way, look at this. You guys put do in front of the subject. For example, do I have the key? It's a question. Do I have the key? Do I have the key? And or next you can say, does Joey have a car? Does Joey have a car? It's a question. Alright? Okay, well done everybody from here. Okay, well done. And then teacher move to next. Everyone, we are going to do this together. You guys have to help me. You guys remember I, you, we, they, we use with have. And then he, she, it, we use has. Okay, very good job. Look at this, everybody. Tim has two sons. Tim has two sons because Tim is a person, is a one person. Tim. Okay. And then, look at this, number one. What the exercise say? Write the correct form of verb to have. Write the correct form of verb to have. Okay, number one. I use with have. Very good job. I have 100 baht. I have 100 baht. Very good job. And everybody write down in your book. Page 114. Write down in your book. Okay. And next, number two, we. Remember we use with have. I, you, we, they have. He, she, it has. Okay. We have lunch. We have lunch. Okay. And next, everybody. And next we move to number three. Number three. She has. She has a cold. She has a cold. Very good job. And then number four. Sue have or has long hair. Because Sue is a one person, is a one lady. So we use Sue has long hair. Sue has long hair. Okay. And then everybody, we move to number five. Number five. Remember, I, you, we, they have. Number five. They have a car. They have a car. Everybody write down to your book. Write it down. Finish? Okay. So if you guys finish, teacher move to next. Okay. Next, number 6, Sam. Sam is one person. Sam we use with has. Sam has a new TV. Sam has a new TV. Okay. Alright. Very good job, student. And then teacher move to next. Teacher move to next. Okay. You remember you have the key. Well done. You have the key. Alright. And then number 8. Teacher move to doctors. Look at this. Doctors. We have many doctors. So we use have. Doctors have money. Doctors have money. Okay. Everybody write down. And then number 9. Number 9. Number 9. I have a coach. I have a coach. Good job. Alright, finish. Everybody write down. Okay, write it down. And then number 10. Let's move to number 10. A book has 9 pages. A book has 9 pages. A book is referred to it. Okay. Everybody write down. Finish. Everybody done here. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Finish. Okay, well done and very good job, everybody. And then we move to this, everybody. Let's make negative with have. Let's what the exercise say here? Make negative with have. For example, look at this, everybody. For example, you a cat. In the negative way, we say do not. Okay. Look at it. Look at this. You a cat. In the negative way, we say you do not have a cat. You do not have a cat. For example. And then number 1, look at this together. We a banana tree. So how to make in a negative sentence? We say we do not have banana tree. We do not have a banana tree. Okay. Everybody write down. Everybody write down to your book. Finish. Alright, okay, and then teacher move to next. Number 2, Monica parents. Monica parents. Monica is a one person. One person. Monica is a girl or is a boy? Is a girl. So Monica does not have parents. We can say Monica does not have parents. Does not, because we use does because Monica is one person. Okay, Monica does not have a parent. Everybody write it down. Write down to your books. And next, number 3, everybody. Peter, a fever. Peter, a fever. Look at this. How to make a negative sentence. Peter does not have a fever. Peter does not have a fever. Everybody write down. Write it down. Okay. Finish. Everybody done. Well done. Well done. Very good job, everybody. We finished. Okay, and then let's review together what we learned today. Let's review together what we learned today. Today we learned about contextual grammar unit 6. Unit 6. Okay. Start from this. What's the matter? What's the matter? I have a headache. I have a headache. And next, what is the matter? What's the matter? I have a stomach ache. I have a stomach ache. Very good job. And next, so subject. In the subject we have I, you, we, they. I, you, we, they. How to use verb to have? We use with have. I, you, we, they. We use with have. And then he, she, it. We use with has. Well done, everybody. And next, how to make a question and negative with do does. Look at the statement first. I have the key. In the negative way we say I do not have the key. I do not have the keys. And if we make a question we can say do I have the key? Do I have the key? Okay. And next, this we move to this. Joey has a car. Statement is Joey has a car. And let's see in the negative way how we say Joey does not have a car. Joey does not have a car. Okay. And then in the question we can say does Joey have a car? Does Joey have a car? Does Joey have a car? Alright. Okay. Alright, everybody. Well done for today. Well done for today. So, everybody, remember, don't forget to review what we have learned today. And don't forget to complete the exercise. Don't forget to complete the exercise that teacher provided to you guys. Okay. Thank you very much for today, everyone, and see you next time today. Goodbye.